In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a product ID in the Woocommerce Wordpress plugin. This is a beginner's guide designed to walk you through the steps in about 5 minutes. Let's dive straight into it by heading over to WordPress.com. This platform offers everything you need to build and manage your website, including using plugins like Woocommerce, which is excellent for managing your online store and inventory. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. If you haven't logged in recently, you might also have to go through an additional security step, like using two-factor authentication, which is a good practice to keep your account secure. With your login complete, you're now on the WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for managing your website, and it's a place you'll become very familiar with as you build and run your site. From here, navigate to the Products section. This is where all the magic happens if you're using WooCommerce. To do this, just look for WooCommerce on the left-hand sidebar and then click on Products in the drop-down menu. Once you're in the Products section, click on All Products. This will display a comprehensive list of every product you've added to your WooCommerce store. It's a simple table, showing details like the product image, name, stock status, and more. Now here's where the action really happens. Hover your mouse over the name of any product you want to examine closely. As you hover, you'll notice a few options appear beneath the product name. It's here that you'll find the product ID, an essential piece of data for managing your products effectively. This ID is unique to each product and can be incredibly useful for a variety of tasks, from inventory management to integrating with other plugins or services. Finally, simply click on the ID to view further information or perform any additional actions you might need. This step is straightforward but crucial, as it allows you to differentiate products easily, especially when you're dealing with a large inventory. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently locate the product ID in WooCommerce. Knowing how to quickly access this information will make managing your online store much smoother and more effective. Thank you for tuning in to this beginner's guide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy selling!